look up at the night sky. It looks peaceful, static. But hiding in plain sight is a neighboring leviathan, and it's heading right for us. At this exact moment, the Andromeda galaxy is hurtling toward our Milky Way at 250,000 miles per hour. It's a galactic titan, and there is no steering wheel, no brakes, and nowhere to run. The bullet has already been fired. Here is what happens when it finally hits. We live on the quiet, predictable shores of an island universe. For millennia, humanity has looked upon the faint, glowing smear of Andromeda in the deep black as a distant, peaceful neighbor. But the light arriving from that ancient spiral tells a profoundly terrifying story. It isn't drifting away into the expanding cosmic void like almost everything else in the universe. It's coming straight for us. The trigger event for this colossal merger isn't a sudden, brutal explosion. It's the slow, relentless tightening of an inescapable gravitational tether. Right now, Andromeda lies 2.5 million light-years away. It's a distance so incredibly vast it completely shatters ordinary human comprehension. If you scaled the Milky Way down to the size of a standard dinner plate, Andromeda would be a slightly larger platter sitting just a few paces away in the exact same room. But in the grand, terrifying arena of the cosmos, that incredibly short distance is rapidly vanishing. Over the next 4 billion years, that faint smudge in our northern hemisphere will grow brighter, wider, and sharper. It will swell until it dominates the entire night sky, hanging over our world like a luminous ceiling of ancient starlight. When we trace the trajectory of these two giants, a direct collision is an absolute, unavoidable certainty. The Milky Way and Andromeda are the two dominant anchors of our local galactic neighborhood. We are bound tightly together by massive, invisible threads of dark matter. Think of dark matter as the unseen skeletal structure of the universe. It provides the overwhelming, silent bulk that drags our two galaxies along a cosmic highway toward an unavoidable rendezvous. As the immense dark matter halo surrounding both of our galaxies finally overlap, our gravitational embrace locks permanently. But the word collision is a failure of human language. Galaxies are mostly empty space. When the Milky Way and Andromeda finally intersect, it won't be a cataclysmic smashing of solid planetary objects. Imagine two massive crowds walking through each other in slow motion, so far apart that no two people ever touch, yet every movement forcefully reshapes the flow. Or picture firing a shotgun through a colossal cathedral filled with dust motes. Almost nothing hits, but absolutely everything is disturbed. The overarching gravitational forces will act like giant, invisible hands, relentlessly ripping apart the very architecture of both systems. We are witnessing the opening act of a cosmic dismantling. It is the necessary unraveling of two old, beautiful spirals to set the stage for something entirely new. The universe is about to restructure our home, and the gravitational dance sealing our fate has already begun. As the outer boundaries of the Milky Way and Andromeda finally touch, the grandest visual spectacle in the history of our solar system will unfold. This won't be a sudden crash, but a protracted, agonizingly slow dance lasting hundreds of millions of years. During their first close approach, the massive gravitational fields will interact like two colossal ships passing in a narrow, dark channel, dragging a monstrous wake of disruption behind them. You probably picture this era as a savage apocalypse, a cinematic catastrophe where planetary systems are completely obliterated by incoming suns. But the spaces between individual stars are so unimaginably vast that the two stellar populations will simply slide right through one another. If our sun were a single grain of sand sitting in the middle of a vast desert, the nearest star would be another solitary grain of sand miles away. It will be a phantom intersection of light and mass, leaving individual solar systems entirely untouched. However, the spaces between the stars are not completely empty. Both of our galaxies are filled with vast, drifting nebulas of cold hydrogen gas and interstellar dust. This is where the true physical collision occurs. Like two storm fronts colliding, compressing enormous reservoirs of gas until millions of stars ignite at once. The colliding gas clouds won't just mix peacefully, they will brutally compress and detonate into millions of brilliant, burning blue stars, lighting up the entire universe in a burst of light visible across the galaxy. This immense starburst phase will set the night sky ablaze. Vast nebulas will glow with fierce, unyielding ultraviolet radiation, and the subsequent rapid deaths of these massive, short-lived stars will trigger a relentless cascade of supernovae. The heavens will light up like exploding flashbulbs in a dark, infinite stadium. While the stars themselves avoid direct impacts, they cannot escape the newly warped gravitational landscape. The orderly, elegant, rotating disks of both the Milky Way and Andromeda will be completely shattered. The gravitational pull of each galaxy will act upon the other like an intense, erratic tide, viciously stripping away our delicate spiral arms. In a process resembling a brutal cosmic centrifuge, immense streams of stars, gas, and dust will be forcefully ripped outward from the main galactic bodies. These tidal tails will stretch for hundreds of thousands of light years into the dark intergalactic void, looking like luminous ribbons savagely thrown across the cosmos. Our own sun, along with its entire retinue of planets, will likely be caught in one of these massive gravitational riptides. We could be flung far out of our current, comfortable orbit in the Orion Spur, exiled to the sparse, freezing outer halo of the newly forming structure. From this exiled vantage point, our night sky would transform entirely. Instead of a neat river of stars bisecting the darkness, we would look down upon a brilliantly chaotic, swirling, burning core of the merging giants. Yet, the most profound drama will unfold deep within the hidden heart of this chaotic swarm. At the core of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole containing the mass of 4 million suns. Andromeda harbors an even larger gravitational leviathan at its center. As the two galaxies coalesce, these colossal dark anchors will inevitably hunt each other down in the black. They won't drop directly to the center. Think of these supermassive black holes like two exceptionally heavy bowling balls dropped onto a trampoline covered in marbles. As they circle each other, their immense weight causes them to sink toward the center, violently kicking the smaller stars out of their way until they are locked in an inescapable death spiral. Slowly, relentlessly, they will form a binary pair. They become a cosmic engine of two dark spheres circling each other closer and faster. This swirling maelstrom will fiercely churn surrounding spacetime, emitting immense gravitational waves, literal ripples, stretching and squeezing the very fabric of reality, radiating outward at the speed of light. As their orbits tighten, they will pull in the surrounding gas expelled by the earlier starburst phase. This material will form a superheated accretion disk, a blinding, glowing whirlpool of matter spinning at relativistic speeds. The immense friction and pressure within this disk may cause the core to ignite into a quasar, It will become a terrifying, beautiful crucible of fire and gravity. An immensely powerful beacon of radiation outshining the combined starlight of the entire newly unified system, permanently erasing the old celestial order. Eventually, the fierce cosmic storms will subside, and the raw kinetic energy of the grand collision will disperse. The final supermassive black hole merger will send a definitive, silent tremor through space-time, signaling the birth of a unified titan. We call this terrifying new future home Milkdromeda. The flat, elegant spinning records of the Milky Way and Andromeda will be totally shattered. In their place, Milkdromeda will look like a chaotic snow globe that a giant just furiously shook, a blindingly bright, spherical cloud of stars orbiting in every direction around a common center. The orbits of the stars are no longer confined to an orderly, rotating disk. Instead, they trace erratic, unpredictable loops around the newly formed core. The vast reserves of interstellar gas, the raw fuel needed to birth new stars, will have been almost entirely consumed by the earlier, frenzied starburst phase. Milkdromeda will therefore be a much calmer, older galaxy, bathed in the steady, reddish glow of ancient, long-lived suns. If our distant evolutionary descendants endure to witness this epoch, they will inherit a radically restructured cosmos. By the time Milkdromeda fully settles some 6 billion years from now, our own sun will have exhausted its nuclear fuel. It will have shed its outer layers before collapsing into a dim, smoldering white dwarf. To survive, our civilization will have needed to migrate, leaping across the interstellar void to colonize younger, more stable star systems. When these future inhabitants look up from the surface of their new worlds, the celestial canopy will be entirely unrecognizable. The familiar, milky band of starlight that guided our ancient seafaring ancestors will be completely gone. In its place, the heavens will be overwhelmingly brilliant, flooded with the ambient light of hundreds of billions of stars scattered in absolutely every direction. At the center of this incredible view will sit a blindingly bright, spherical core. The very concept of true darkness may become an artifact of history, replaced by a perpetual, luminous twilight. This new environment will trigger a profound shift in the human condition and how a galactic civilization actually operates. Survival will require an absolute mastery of astrophysics and orbital mechanics. Navigating Milkdromeda won't be like sailing a predictable, calm sea, but rather piloting a ship through a complex, shifting three-dimensional web of gravity. As stars are forcefully scattered into the vast, diffuse outer halo of the elliptical galaxy, some planetary communities may find themselves cast into profound isolation, separated by unimaginable gulfs of dead, empty space. Conversely, if our descendants navigate closer to the dense interior, they will encounter a crowded, terrifyingly dynamic neighborhood where intense gravitational tides constantly shift the balance of the sky. Yet, this unified galaxy offers a profound evolutionary leap. The collision acts as a grand cosmic mixing bowl, powerfully scattering complex heavy elements, the essential building blocks for advanced technologies and life across previously barren regions of the void. In the quiet aftermath of this grand collision, the universe will simply move on. The Milky Way will be a memory. Andromeda will be gone. But the birth of Milkdromeda is a brutal reminder that the cosmos doesn't care about our borders, our history, or our permanence. We live on a temporary island, drifting through a restless, ever-changing ocean. And while our distant descendants might look up at a sky completely unrecognizable to us today, they will be looking at the exact same truth. In the universe, nothing truly dies. It just becomes something new.